I have been running the Ring Alarm 8-piece kit on my desk since April 12th. It sits next to my router, a constant reminder of my previous setup. That setup involved a patchwork of different brands, none of which talk to each other reliably. The constant low-level hum of checking apps to ensure everything was armed was frankly tiring. The old system's biggest failure was connectivity. Sensors would go offline randomly, requiring manual reboots. The keypad was clunky and often unresponsive, leading to those dreaded false alarms at 3 a.m. Replacing the coin cell batteries in those small, cheap sensors every 6 months was a repetitive, annoying task. This Ring Alarm base station is solid. The housing is a dense, matte finish plastic that feels substantial, not flimsy. Inside, it has a 24-hour backup battery, which is standard for pro-grade systems, but seeing it integrated so cleanly is good engineering. The overall weight is about 1.5 pounds, giving it a grounded feel on the shelf. The one thing that surprised me was the setup time for the contact sensors. While the app guides you well, pairing and mounting all 8 took me about 45 minutes. That's a bit longer than I expected, given the simplicity of the components themselves. Given the build quality and the integrated 24-hour backup, I expected something in the range of $250. This 8-piece kit is $199. I left a link in the description if you want to check current pricing. No pressure. By the second week, you will stop thinking about the siren and start relying on the single notification. You will be able to arm the system from your phone while walking the dog in the park, a simple tap that removes a layer of friction from your day. Either way, hope this saved you some research.